If you're experiencing payout delays on Starz, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems that may be causing the delays. Step 1. Check payment information. Ensure that your payment information is accurate and up to date. Log into your account and verify that your bank details or payment method are correct. Step 2. Review account status. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Starz customer support for assistance. Provide them with your account details and explain the issue clearly to get the help you need. Step 4. Monitor payment schedule. Familiarize yourself with the payment schedule for your payouts. Sometimes delays can occur due to processing times, so knowing when to expect payments can help manage your expectations. Step 5. Follow up. If you don't receive a response or resolution within a few days, follow up with customer support. Persistence can often lead to quicker resolutions. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any payout delays you're experiencing on Starz. If issues persist, consider reaching out to a financial advisor for further assistance.